You want to make more friends or new friends, but you fear rejection. You want to go to try new activities, but you fear rejection. We humans can do anything, but the fear of rejection is so powerful that it can make us to step back from life in case we get hurt. The fear of rejection is an irrational fear that people won't accept, approve, or like you. It's the idea that other people won't like your opinions, your looks, your personality, your values, your beliefs, or your behavior. In this video, I will share with you some strategies on how to overcome the fear of rejection. And the first strategy is to let go of the belief that you will always be rejected. If you believe that whenever you approach someone, they will reject you, it's more likely to happen. You might want to make new friends, but if you approach them with the belief that they won't want me, they won't accept me in their group, they won't want to be friends with me, you will show up with a negative energy. And this negative energy will push people away. So they are more likely to reject you. Unfortunately, when this happens, your belief that you will always be rejected gets stronger. So let go of this unhelpful belief. Let's be realistic. Let's not lie ourselves. There will be people who will hurt your feelings during your life. In your life will be hundreds of people that you will interact with, and those interactions will go well, or at least okay. And there will be some interactions that won't go so well, and that's okay. You need to understand that you, me, and anyone else, always to fit in is not possible. Always to be invited to all the parties won't be possible. Always to be part of the crowd won't be possible. Always to be included, chosen, or asked to join in won't be possible. To be appreciated, respected. Always to be on the top of the list, on the top of the person that people will call us. No, this won't be possible. It's not possible, and that's okay. It is okay to not be on the top of the list. It is okay to not be invited. It is okay to not feel part of the crowd. It is normal to want to be liked by everyone, but this is not possible. You don't like everyone, and not everyone likes you. And that's fine. That's okay. All you need to do is to find the people that will like you. And for this, you need to keep trying. And for this, you will need to experience rejection until you will find the right crowd. Another thing is to change the meaning you give to rejection, the meaning of your rejection. Every famous person, especially musicians, actors, writers, artists, they were rejected many times. If you read their successful stories, you will see that they were rejected many times. It was simply part of their journey to success. If someone or some people rejected you, it doesn't mean you are not good enough. You are not a good person. You are not a lovely person. It's not about you. It's about them. It's about their choices. One of the most powerful techniques that it will help you overcome the fear of rejection is to imagine that one of your friends, best friends, come to you and has the same fear, has the same negative thoughts, worry thoughts. What would you tell your best friend to do? What advice would you give? Go for it? Just do it? Or no, don't do it. Better stay safe. Don't take the risk. I'm sure the answers that you will give to your friends will be positive. Go for it. Please write down all the answers you will give to your friend if your friend will be in the same situation as you, and then apply them for yourself. Another thing is to don't let your fear to win. Face your fear of rejection head on. Right now, think about a situation where you have a fear of rejection. Notice the negative thoughts and feelings that come up. Those negative thoughts and feelings are a big part of any fear and prevent you from taking action. However, when you don't take action, you reinforce the negative thoughts and strengthen the fear. The fear will become stronger. And next time when you will want to make a new friend, try a new activity, you will feel more scared. So, face the fear. Act. Take action regardless of those negative thoughts and feelings. It's much better to be rejected than face a feeling of regret or the fear of missing out. You never know what the outcome will be. So it is better to try than regret. Take small step outside your comfort zone. Know that there are chances to be rejected. Also, remember that this is not about you and the feeling is just a temporary feeling. Another thing that I want you to remember and that it will help you to overcome the fear of being rejected is that being rejected is not the end of the world. Ask yourself, if I was rejected in this situation, what would be the worst thing that would happen? Consider the worst case scenario and how would you deal with it? Answer to any what if questions and create plans to deal with the worst case scenario. Once you do this, the fear will reduce and you can act more successfully. Lots of people, many people, most people come with what if questions, such as what if they will say no? But they never answer to them. So don't be one of them. Calm your mind by answering to all of what if questions. Another thing that it will help you is to focus on the positive outcome. A great way of learning how to overcome fear of rejection is to focus on the positive outcome. Any thoughts of being rejected or failing are no more true than the opposite thoughts of being accepted and successful. However, the positive thoughts, it will help you feel better inside. And when you feel better inside, you act more confidently and other people will notice. Everything we do in life is driven by three things: thoughts, feelings, and action. The mistake we make is letting those thoughts and feelings to rule our day. The feeling is the fear. And yes, the feeling is not a nice feeling, it's a big one. But so it's courage. The sense of feeling stuck comes when thoughts are allowed to build up more fear than to build up more courage. For this reason, we need to challenge the what if thoughts and we need to come up with a plan with solutions to the worst case scenario. Thoughts can make feelings bigger than some of them deserve to be. Behavior is driven automatically by the thoughts and feelings, but it doesn't have to be this way. Separate thoughts, feelings, and actions. See them for what they are. Thoughts are just thoughts, feelings are just feelings. And make a conscious decision. Make a different choice. Take a different action. You can think scared, feel scared, and act brave. Choose to take the risk. Rejection, it is part of life. Here is what you need to remember. The pain of rejection is just a feeling. It's not a life sentence and it's not a defect. It's just your brain doing what a sad brain will do for a while. Like all feelings, it will come and then it will leave you alone. My last words are, don't play safe. Playing safe, it will keep you safe. But it won't do much more than that. And life is more than that. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video.